In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and sell stocks on Robinhood using your web browser. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through each step clearly so you can trade with confidence. First, let's get started by opening Robinhood in your preferred web browser. If you don't already have an account, make sure you've signed up and completed all the necessary verification steps. Once you're logged in, take a look toward the top right of the screen and locate the account icon, which usually looks like a little person or your profile picture. Click on this icon to open up your account menu. Next, from the account menu, find the transfers option. This will be your gateway to moving money between your bank and Robinhood. To link your bank account, simply follow the prompts. You'll typically be asked to connect using your bank's login details or account and routing numbers. Once your bank is successfully linked, returning to the transfers section allows you to fund your Robinhood account. To deposit funds, click on Deposit, then enter the amount of money you want to transfer from your bank account to Robinhood. Double check the figure to make sure it's exactly what you want, then click Submit. It may take a day or two for your funds to become available if it's your first time depositing, so keep that in mind. Now that you have money in your account, it's time to find a stock to buy. Locate the search icon, which usually looks like a magnifying glass at the top of your screen. Click that icon and then type either the name of the stock or its ticker symbol, whatever you prefer. As you type, you'll see a list of results appear. Click on the stock you're interested in to open its detail page. Here, you'll find all the information you need about the stock, including recent performance and news. If you decide this is the stock for you, click on the Buy button. Robinhood will ask you how much you want to purchase. You can enter either the exact number of shares or the dollar amount you'd like to invest. After entering your amount, you'll have a chance to review your order. Make sure everything looks correct, then click Buy to confirm your purchase. If you ever want to sell a stock you own, return to your account icon and select the Investing tab. Here, you'll see a list of stocks currently in your portfolio. Tap on the stock you wish to sell, then look for the Trade button, and from there, select Sell. Now enter the number of shares or the dollar amount you want to sell, review your order one final time, and tap Sell to complete the transaction. That's all there is to it. Buying and selling stocks on Robinhood through your web browser is straightforward once you know the process. Just remember to always double check your amounts before confirming any trade, and you'll be well on your way to managing your investments with ease.